So we have here our next example, example number 2. A milk tea shop in San Juan, Batangas states that the average waiting time for their customers to receive their orders is 6 minutes. A consumer advocacy group collected data from 20 customers and gathered an average waiting time of 6.7 minutes. With a standard deviation of 1.8 minutes, using a 0.01 level of significance, is there sufficient evidence that the average waiting time takes longer than 6 minutes? Assume the time is normally distributed. Okay, so after this, pwede nating i-list yung mga values or mga given sa situation na ito. And upon reading the given situation, alam natin na indicated na doon si population mean which is equals to 6, si x bar natin or yung ating sample mean which is 6.7, si ating alpha or yung ating level of significance which is 0.01, si n which is yung ating sample size na 20, and then si s which is yung ating standard or yung ating sample standard deviation na 1.8. So after this, we can set up the null and alternative hypothesis. As our initial claim, mu is equals to 6, and then as our alternative hypothesis naman, mu is greater than 6. So bakit greater than 6? Since makikita naman natin sa given situation, yung ating phrase na present dito is yung takes longer than. So parang at some point, siya ay kagaya na din ng greater than. Okay, so now na meron na tayong null and alternative hypothesis, we will set significance level which is binigay na sa atin, which is 0.01. And then since meron tayong n na equal to 20, and alam natin na kapag ang n is less than 30, meaning gagamit tayo ng t-test. Okay? So for us to find the critical value, first of all, kailangan nating makuha yung degree of freedom. And makukuha natin siya by the formula n-1, which is itong 20 minus 1 is equals to 19. So, ang ating degree of freedom is equal to 19. So, since meron tayong degree of freedom and meron din tayong itong alpha natin or level of significance, pwede na tayong base sa table of T critical value, which is titingin po tayo sa one tail. Bakit sa one tail? Okay, titingin tayo sa one tail since ang ating pong test is directional. Since kung titingnan po natin yung ating alternative hypothesis, gumamit po tayo ng greater than, which is kapag greater than and kung less than po is yung po ay one directional. Okay, so upon looking sa ating pong table, makakakuha po tayo ng critical value na 2.539 sa table. Okay? Which is hindi ko na po ituturo dahil alam na po natin naman iyon. Since meron na po tayong critical value and kompleto naman po ang values natin para makuha ang ating t-value, pwede na po tayong mag-direct sub. Substitute lang po natin si 6.7 which is yung ating sample mean minus the population mean na 6. And this one is simplified na po, na galing po kay standard deviation na nakadivide naman po sa square root ng ating n which is yung 20. And upon computing that po, we will have this value. So since meron na po tayong t-value and critical value, pwede na po tayong mag-decide. Since the calculated t-value is less than critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Sa madaling sabi, we can conclude po that at a 0.01 level of significance, there is insufficient evidence to conclude that average waiting time for customers to receive their orders is longer than 6 minutes. Okay, so yung po yung sagot natin sa sample problem number 2. So now, dako naman po tayo sa sample problem number 3. A computer shop in small town claims that its users used to play in the shop more than 2 hours as an average. a sample of 10 customers reported their daily times in hours as 1.5, 1.6, 2.2, 2.6, 2.3, 1.8, 1.9, 2.5, 2.4, and 2.0. Using a 0.05 level of significance, test if the average playing time is indeed more than 2 hours. So, upon reading this situation, mapapansin po natin na hindi po natin lahat nakukuha yung value for us to solve the t-value. Okay? So, wala po siyang, check natin kung anong wala. Wala siyang standard deviation. Okay? Pero may mga data points po tayo. Pero wala din tayong sample mean. So, first of all, we will get the sample mean po. Okay? Pag-aadin lang po natin itong hours lahat, which is divided sa ating n na 10. Okay? So, we will get the x bar 2.08 po. So, since may x bar na po tayo, now we will get the standard deviation by using the formula of sample variance. Since meron na po tayong sample bar, ima-minus lang po natin yung individual data points natin, yung mga hours na binanggit dito sa problems. Ima-minus po natin sila isa-isa dito sa ating nakuhang x bar and i-squared po natin sila. After po nun, kukuhanin natin ang summation nila and i-divide naman po natin sa n-1 which is 10 minus 1. So, all over 9 po. Ito naman ay nasagutan kagaya ng kay Jerome kanina. So, hindi ko na sobrang i-detail pang explanation. So, yan. Upon simplification po and then solving this one, solving the sample variance using this formula, we will arrive at the sample variance is equals to 0.144. And for us to get the standard deviation po, we will just squared it po, both sides, which is we will have the standard deviation of 0.37947339192. Okay? So now that we already have the standard deviation, we will now look for the critical value. So, gaya ng nauna kanina, given naman po si 0.05, and gaya ng sinabi ko, kapag ang n po is less than 30, alam po natin na siya ay t-test. Okay, so if we will look to the critical value, we will find that it is 1.833 on the table. Okay, so now that we have the critical value, we will solve for the t-value since kompleto na po ang ating needed values para makompute si t-value. Since kanina nga po ay kinuha na natin si x bar and then si standard deviation. So, pwede na po tayong mag-direct sub. And upon direct substituting the values that we have, we will arrive at this t-value. Okay, so since meron na po tayong computed t-value and critical value, pwede na po tayong decide here. Well, since 0.666, 3 decimal pa lang dito. Pero ito, since 0.666 is less than 1.833, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And as our conclusion, in 0.05 level of significance, there's insufficient evidence to conclude that the average time spent in the shop is more than 2 hours. Okay, so we failed to reject the null hypothesis.